everyone, and welcome back to Lantrip Players. Mr. James here. Now, you guys have learned about sets. Now we can dive into some lighting and sound. We will learn about the different components of lighting and sound and how they come together. But first, let's begin with our warm-ups with Miss Rachel.
Hi guys, it's Miss Rachel, and today for our first warm-up, we're going to be doing our 8-count shakedown. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and for our second warm-up, we're going to be doing boom chicka boom, okay? Let's start out regular. I said a boom chicka boom. I said a boom chicka boom. I said a boom chicka rocka chicka boom. All right. Okay. One more time. This time, princess style. I said a boom chicka boom. I said a boom chicka boom. I said a boom chicka chicka boom. All right. Okay. No more times. Awesome job on warm-ups today, guys.
Lighting plays a key role in the theater. Without it, we wouldn't be able to see the actors or the set. We can use lighting alone to affect the mood of a scene. Here's some examples. Now I'm going to pass it on to Miss Stephanie.
All right, everyone, for our second activity, we're going to learn about how sound affects a scene, all right? We're going to watch the same scene, but with different sounds, just to see how it changes the scene. But first, there's a few definitions we need to go over. So, in lighting and sound, you have a person called a sound operator. And basically the role of this person is to run the sound for the show, all right? And how they do that is by using a soundboard. A soundboard has all these cool gadgets and buttons and levers and things to just basically to control the sound, right? They can make the sound louder, softer, they can speed it up, make it go slower, they can change different things about the sound, whether it be like a mic or a sound like effect or like any kind of music you add to a show or things like that. All right, so without further ado, here's the scene and with 3 different sound effects.
Now that we understand how we can use both lighting and sound in theater, we can now explore how mood is used. You may be asking yourself, what is mood? Well, mood is the overall feeling created from a performance. In this activity, we are going to see 3 different clips, each with unique lighting and sound choices. It's going to be your job to decide what mood is being conveyed through the use of lighting and sound. Are you ready? Scene 1. What type of mood is being shown in this scene? Did you say happy or joyful? That's right. Because of the bright lighting and upbeat music, the mood of this scene is happy and joyful. Scene 2. What type of mood is shown in this scene? Did you say scary or kooky? That's it. Because this scene has dark lighting and the music that is being used is spooky and mysterious, this scene has a scary and anxious mood. Last one. What type of mood is shown in this scene? If you answered lazy or tired, you're correct. The music used here is soft and quiet, almost like a lullaby. And since the lights change and become less bright, this creates a relaxed and tired mood. Great job figuring out the different moods for those scenes. Now let's pass it on over to Miss Brett and Mr. James.
And now we're going to combine lights, sound, and mood to tell a story.
Hey! Give me back my stuff.
I'm sorry. Here. Your drawings are really good.
You really think so?
Yeah, I like them a lot.
Thanks. Why don't you walk with me to class?
Okay.
All right, everyone, it's circle time.
Okay, everyone, I really hope y'all enjoyed today's lesson. So my favorite color has to be a midnight blue. I really like dark blue color.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is green.
My favorite color is purple.
My favorite color is blue.
Today, I learned that not only does sound create the mood, but it also establishes the setting.
And today I learned that sound can make you feel so many different things. Like just watching the same scene over and over again, but listening to different sounds and music can make the scene change completely.
Today I learned that we are able to create different moods for a show by choosing specific lighting and sound designs.
Today I learned about all the different roles that go into sound and lighting design.
Today I learned that lighting is a very important tool we use in theater, not just in order to see the actors on stage, but also to set the mood for a scene.
So far, I've enjoyed learning about costumes the most.
And then what I loved learning about so far is I love learning about characters and different archetypes and things like that. I think they're really, really cool.
My favorite thing that we've learned so far is everything having to do with production.
And the thing that I've enjoyed learning about most so far is probably all the things that a lighting designer has to do to make the mood and light people's faces up on stage.
My favorite thing we've learned about so far has to be character. I love playing all the different archetypes.